Or am I just living? Oi, chat. Are we dead ass? We are back. No friggin' way. No way. Chat, who's here? Come and say hello right this instant, otherwise you're banned. Serious. Not playing around today, chat. We're not messing around. All right. No. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, chat. Let's start the stream. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my friggin' days, chat. We are back. What is going on? Oh, we need to change the music. I need something a bit more hyped here. This is bringing us down a little bit, chat. We need this one. Chat, what's good? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wait. Fucking restart. Oh my days. Chat, I'm crashing out already. What's good, Omar, Darius, Gaz, what's popping? Long time no see. Jimbo, Mr. Joshua, Not Trendlines, Alex, Eugene, Nightbot's here. Holy chat, holy. Why is it saying the fucking connection to the stream is low? What's going on? Huh? Good, Max. Chat, stream looks okay, no? YouTube is not receiving enough video. What does that even mean? Is it buffering or not? First stream, what's good, Alfie? How's it going, man? Wait, chat. My name is Justin. Do you sell courses? Justin Whelan. Bro needs my course. Loki, what's good, Rick? How's it going, man? We should have good output here. Cam pros? Nah, I think we're good now. We good, chat? I got you with the old frozen trick, didn't I, chat? It's a classic. It's a classic play. Yeah, chat, cool. We made bank last night trading the open. I'm up 7k before the week even starts. What's going on? Release the Justin Whelan files. Chat, who's seen that shit? That shit's insane. Justin Whelan exposed. It's funny because I said that me and Tom were talking about this a while ago about like who's legit and who's not. And I always said that Justin Whelan was phony. Yeah. All right, cool. Cool. Chat, how's everyone doing? How's everyone's weekend? What'd you guys get up to? Anyone make 10 mil? All right. What'd you guys get up to over the weekend? What did I do? I can't remember what I did. I went to a little rave. That was all right. Not much else really. Ow. All right, cool. We're set up. So, chat, let's do a little breakdown here. I caught gold buys yesterday on the open. In my opinion, it was the most obvious play I've ever seen in my life. Daily's pushing up right now. Oh, you're actually having a little bit of a pullback here, chat, to be truly honest. You have room on the daily up until... Wait, I need to... Yeah. We have room on the daily up until 450s, around there. You closed above on the daily. You closed bullish on the weekly. Highest weekly close ever. Very interesting here, chat. Very interesting. The 1 hours and 2 hours starting to form a range, but the 4 hour looks quite good. I honestly think we consolidate here until New York Open, which is why I started the stream a little bit later. I spent it in bed with serious food poisoning. I swear you keep having food poisoning. Is your missus trying to kill you or something? I swear to God, you've had like, I'm pretty sure you've had food poisoning like 5-6 times since you've been in streams. Someone's missus wants half the trading account. The Netflix, I think there is, yeah. I think that is a thing. Chat. All right, so basically we'll take buys above 51.98 to continue up. Simple. That's the analysis. That is literally the analysis, chat. Hopefully we could sweep London lows before we do it, right? We swept Asian lows with this move here, though. Chat, again, the Asian session Skydweller model that I taught printed. I wanted to take it, but I was already pretty up for the day, so I was like, Thank you very much. Food delivery, chat. The demon's been trying to get me. Asthma attack, Hong Kong flu. Hong Kong flu sounds scary. Low-key, I have no accounts to trade. I made money on all my accounts last night. The only account I have is, I guess, an Apex we could trade. So, but that's gonna have to be NQ. We're gonna have to do an NQ analysis as well, chat. Monthly, weekly. Oh my days, we're at the bottom of the range, chat. Also, chat, I have a new YouTube video coming out today. Oh my days, I'm literally spoiling you guys. Daily, bullish, 4 hour, bullish, kind of. I hate NQ right now, it looks horrible. Just consolidation for the past nearly week. Minimum, you need a closure up here. To be truly honest, that should take you up towards here as a minimum. Very simple again, chat. You just wait for that closure above and you take the position. You can have sells below here, buys above here, targeting this area here. Very simple, chat. By the way, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the streams. The rest of this week is going to be spent inside the private group, right? So for the students, I'm going to be streaming in there. Oh, the camera did just freeze a little bit then, huh? Is the camera lagging, chat? I just caught that in the corner of my eye. Where's my bin? Where have you been? Chat, nummies. Fresh nummies delivery. Seen Conor Ben leaving Eddie Hearn? Why? I mean, they're all sketchy in boxing, so I presume someone fucked someone over. Hong Kong flu was so scary, I had a visual lag of about 2 seconds and felt like I was stupidly drunk and aching. But that's mad. That does sound very scary. Oh, hadn't drunk. Oh, but I hadn't drunk. Yeah. Mad. That's crazy. Cool, chat. Nice. What's good, Spect? How's it going, man? Oh, look at this shit. Bacon and egg wrap. Are we actually taking the piss? That is absolute nummies. All right, so, chat, we have just had an hourly closure, by the way. I forgot to mention, the hourly closed bearish on gold. Yeah, NQ's really doing nothing here. 1 hour close bullish. Anyone else with an illness they want to discuss? No, but I do have a disability. I've got a disability to get bread. Oh. Halfway through saying it, I was cringing already. Just like, chat, it just comes off the dome. No one else can think of, no other trading streamer has the personality to think of jokes like that. Oh my god. You looking to buy Bitcoin again? Right, I've been buying Bitcoin. I've been just accumulating it anywhere in the 60s. I've just been accumulating. My main buy though was down here. I got in a little bit late, 61. I put like between 5 and 10k into Bitcoin around here. So we're up like a little bit. I think at the peak I was up like fucking 2 bandolinis. Yeah. Rejected off this resistance though, chat. See? TRLS works even on Bitcoin. Unreal. But yeah, bro, I can't believe the Justin Wheeler situation. I thought it was a publicity stunt, but then it's like, why would you do that? That's not even a publicity stunt. That's just ruining your brand. You know what I mean? Like, who's he? American futures trader. He's very big, to be honest. He's got like 250k on YouTube. Very, very big social media trader. But he basically posted a YouTube video explaining how he hadn't really made any money ever from trading. But yeah, I don't know. He also said that he did make money, but then he lost it. I don't know. I don't really know what the video is deleted, right? I didn't get to watch it. Thing is, right? Whenever anyone's like just posting an ICT strategy that's just repurposed, I always just immediately assume they're a fraud. Because there can't be so many people trading inverse fair value gaps and making bread. It doesn't make sense. I took Asia Sky Dollar on gold, so I'm not sure if I should close. My stop loss is to be. You took this. Clean. Yeah, I really wanted this, or maybe this one. I really wanted it, but I was already done for the. Well, not done for the day, but at least like done for the morning. I'd hold it. Not really up that much. I mean, you are a little. Yeah, I guess you are. You're up like 100. 10 points right now. I think gold continues up here. The only thing is whether or not it comes down and sweeps the lows first. That's the only thing that might get you. You know what I mean? They're all furries? Yeah. I mean, yeah. It's crazy. It's really fucking crazy. I had small buys but closed? Yeah. Fair. You know what I had earlier that would have been nice? Yeah, this entry right here would have played out quite cleanly. But my main entry was down here on the open, like after the first 1 minute candle. Oh no, it was the second 1 minute candle actually. So clean, chat, just unreal. You just, oh no, wait, 1, 2, 3. So this one here. Look at that bottom wick, chat. You make a bottom wick and flip like that. You're just ripping after you break the highs. Come on. Could have held that for like 571 ticks. Thought there would have been more volume. What now? Or yeah, I mean we got New York NYSE opens shortly. I think we're just waiting for that. We've had a massive move upwards already. Chat, imagine back in the day, when I first started streaming, 726 or pips for back then was like maybe a monthly move. Or let's say like at least a weekly move. To have that on a 1 hour candle, was just like unheard of. And now it's just like a standard open. It's actually ridiculous. It's really, really crazy. Something to note though, chat, the 2 hour on gold is pretty crazy right now. 15-minute closing in 30 seconds above. Alexander, in your buys, you look pretty good here. This 15 looks good. Got liquidated on a 750 pip 5 minute candle on gold buys the other day. Liquidated. Yeah. Oh, wait, let me get this post out because this is like all going off right now. You got a delay entry because there's been these fake out second sweeps. That is true. You just have to wait for the right liquidity to be swept. I've actually got a video dropping on that next week, I think. But yeah, I've got a video dropping today as well, chat, on how I do my analysis properly, which is sick. One second, chat. It's a mad entertaining stream, right? Alright, cool. So, chat, gold's ripping up here. Interesting. I honestly thought we would barcode earlier. To be truly honest, this is the reason why I didn't take these gold buys as well after this breakout here. It's because I just had a feeling. For some reason, I've been getting these weird intuitions recently. You've got like a micro range in the middle here. And I had a feeling that we would be stuck piggy in the middle, you know? That's a good question. Whenever I think of a fucking idea to talk about, or whenever I think of something that goes into my mind, maybe I'll do one about this Justin Willen situation. That honestly could be a shout. Like about fake gurus, the state of the trading industry. All right, cool. Cool. Man, if we break out this range, we are going to go... I honestly genuinely think gold might go to all-time highs this week. Like, I genuinely think it might. Look at the monthly right now. Look at this shit, chat. Look at that. The bottom wick on the monthly is ridiculous. We thought that gold was going parabolic before, but... it might just go even further. Might just go super silly style. Not really sure what that means, but we might do it. Super silly style. Industry is cooked. Yo, at Trendlines, what's good? What's good, Bedge? How's it going, man? On my day, chat. We are pushing up. Nice. I told you guys we would. All right, cool. Jordy, what's good, my bro? Bro, aren't you floating like 15 bags right now? I saw you had a monster trade on your story or something. Yes, Thirsty? How much are you up right now? Or did you close? Bro, I would have closed by now. Respect if you didn't, to be fair. Respect if you didn't. Wait, what did I say? Wait, what? I just read out what I said. 14K? Crazy. Liquidity sweep, close above, then there's been these crazy second sweeps lately. That is true, Will. Crowds to stop loss in profit. 14 bags, bro. I'd be out by now. $5115. Wait, let me look on Forex. Yeah, below these lows, right? Wow. Holy. All-time high at 53K. It's a live account, right, bro? Don't get too greedy with it, but that's still fucking huge. I do think we continue up. 2-hour flip looking very nice. Risky before NYC. Yeah. Also, the thing I'm a bit worried. Oh, yeah, actually, it doesn't look terrible. Gold's just going to pop and run out of nowhere. I don't really think it's out of nowhere. I think we wait for... I mean, yeah, we'll see. Bro, how did you go to bed? Or like, how did you go to sleep after you're floating 14k? I would not be able to do that. 3.8k? Pro's at 15 hour. Sorry, 5 hour. What the fuck am I about? I want to close above these recent highs. Yeah, above 5184 for me is like where we are pretty certain that we're going to continue up, you know? Maybe a little bit higher, yeah, 5185, around there. If we can close above that, chat, should be good. Jay, have you been playing Arc Raiders? Chat, has anyone played Arc Raiders here? Can't lie, Tom and Jay got me onto it last weekend. Or this weekend. Shit is mad. I haven't played it this weekend though, but... Morning, June gang. Please accept my well wishes for this week's session. May you all have an awesome week ahead of you people. Thank you, brother. Is that Creed? I reckon that's old Creed. Renamed. Because that's a Creed-ass message right there. Only the OGs remember old school Creed. Bro just pops in and leaves some positivity and then dips out. Good, sorry, I just came back. What's up with the session open thing? I see you cooking. Oh, do I want to drop my market open source or not? No, I'm joking. I just dropped an Instagram video on it. You're better off just watching that. It'll explain it a little bit more better and quickly. Yep, you remember? Of course, bro. Just the way you wrote that message, I was like, that's Creed. 100%. Oh, chat, we ripping. We ripping. Okay, big boy. Big boy. Oh, chat, maybe... Yeah, I don't have any accounts to trade. I might have to buy some. Gonna dip. Just wanted to say hi. I wanted to leave some love here. Appreciate it, my bro. Have a good luck with the trade. Chat, all of my fucking Tradify accounts are in profit and I have max consistency on them. Top Step. Oh, Top Step are in profit, but I could trade them. Maybe we'll trade Top Step. Chat, what about making 400 mil right now? Your candle color is cooked. Wrong way around. Cap. Do you trade all of them at the same time, or did you just take your turn? I just take my... yeah, I don't trade them at once. Actually, chat, I was talking to Gaz about this earlier. I met up with Gaz because he's here in Cyprus, and we were talking about this. I don't really like copy trading all my accounts at once. What about just buying a new account? We're not all made of money, Omar. God. Poor shaming me right now. Yeah, I could buy a new account, to be fair. Yeah, if you look at like the 15 and the 30 minute though, this is a very strong rejection area over here. We do need to close above the here if we're going to take any buys. For right now, we could just be stuck in this overall inner range. Is there a way to get rid of gaps in your chart? Yeah, you can mess around with these buttons here at the bottom. ETH and badge. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream. It really does help out. I know I haven't been streaming on YouTube very much. That's because I've been focusing on the private group. If you guys do want to trade with me every single day, I have been for the past couple of weeks streaming inside the academy. So you can go ahead and grab access to that for now. Price is only ever going to go up, so you'll never get it as cheap as it is right now in future. But yeah, we've been killing it in there. Yes, the other day we hit a fucking massive trade in there. We hit like a... How much was it? It was like 70 points. Bro made 10% of my entire portfolio in 10 seconds and then tells me we're not made of money. Get out. Yeah, that's a big portfolio. Made a big move before NY. Yeah, I don't really care about that type of shit. We've just been consolidating. 2 minutes here to the open chat. 2 Minuten. Hey, we got any positions yet? Just came back home? No, not yet, not yet. Yo, someone just commented on my Instagram saying they paid 4K for Justin Whelan's mentorship. And he didn't even like message them back, didn't jump on a call with him, nothing. That is insane. Bro, I literally do everything for my mentorship students. Like, I'm jumping on calls with them. I just met fucking Gaz. That was sick, to be fair. Like, I'll do anything for my students, and these guys are not even jumping on a fucking call after getting... That's insane. Expect that NYSE will give us a setup? Maybe, otherwise we just fucking rip without a setup. $10 million. Anything? Pause. Join and find out. Had a sick afternoon? Yeah, that was low-key sick. Was fun. How's the whip? Got it fixed? No, not yet. It's been a bank holiday for the past week, basically, here in Cyprus. So I have to get it. I'm taking it in tomorrow. Gaz fly out to see you, or is he already there for something? I'll let you. Why don't you ask Gaz? Huh? Chat, for the students as well, I have an update about the meetup that's coming shortly. Chat, we're gonna... Oh, we might close above here, chat. We might bloody close above, chat. No topic on the 30 would be unreal as well. Just like terrible. Oh my days, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. No way. No way. Of course, I knew we would rip up as well. I literally knew it. It's been a long time no see. What's good, Mark? How's it going? Still trade the same way or change some things around? No, there's quite a few differences we have. I mean, yeah, it's the same fundamental principles, right? But my trading's got massively better. Okay, so NYSE here opened up just now. NQ's pushing up a little bit. Still in the middle of the range on NQ. Doesn't really look the nicest here. If we're looking at gold, we wanted the closure above, right? We wanted that closure above, but it closed no top wick, and it barely closed above as well. So no setup for me just yet, especially because there's also a level like here and here. So I'd rather wait, to be honest, and get out of this, like, I would say choppiness. Closure above, but basically 5,200. 51.98 around there. Looks really good, to be honest. Really nice positions. Chat, I got a new logo for TRLS as well. If you guys are in the Discord, you would have seen it. Look at this shit. Wait. I think this looks so cool. Wait. Let me just go to the regular trading chat. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Bang. Wait. Oh my days. Just unreal, chat. It's just unreal. What do you guys think though? To replace the old? I think it's nice. Yeah, so maybe we can look at something like this, right? Little closure above. Bottom wick. Still take buys above, sells below. Yeah, same shit. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I've implemented my own models now. I've implemented, yeah, my own models. My own, I like lower time frame stuff. All of it's on YouTube, man. Not all of it. Obviously, I have to keep some of it for the students, but a lot of it's on YouTube. Oh, all paid for with payouts. Holy. W, Gaz. See, chat. Gaz joins the one-on-one, gets fat payouts, and now he's on a world tour. So sick. And I'm gonna make 500 mil right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I just did it, chat. I just made 500 mil right there. Now look, but listen, this is looking good, chat. It's looking pretty good. Little 1 minute structure. Oh my days, we're actually ripping. Geordie's about to make interplanetary wealth. Bro, he's about to be on Mars, just spending money like no one's ever seen. Too many schmeckles. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already, please drop a like on the stream. Like I said, it really, really does help. Let's try and get to like, I don't know, 30 likes on the stream. That would be really, really nice. I know we changed the stream times and all that sort of shit. But yeah, man. $10 million. That's the crazy thing about the trading industry too. Like, my one-on-one students will ride for me because I actually give them good fucking support. I'm there to answer their calls. I answer their texts whenever they message me. I meet them in person when they come to Cyprus. Whereas you got people like Justin Willen right now and other fucking influencers. People have literally DM'd me saying, I bought this guy's course for 4K. He didn't even fucking reply to me after I bought it. And then when I said some bad shit about the program because they weren't helping me, I got kicked out. Insane. Which means that when they get exposed, instead of having people going, oh nah, he's actually sick, he really did help me out, he just has people in my comments going, oh yeah, he scammed me, like he's actually a scammer. So it just goes to show that even if you were a fucking scammer, just actually help people out. Like, what? I guess then you're not a scammer, right? I don't know. Point is, be honest and actually trade, and then also actually help people trade like I do, and everything will be good. Simple. $10 mil. 10 mil right now, chat. Someone's wire me $10 million. I'll turn it into 20 and wire you back the extra 10. NQ swept London highs. Yeah, but we're bullish on NQ, right? Oh, that is quite a good sweep though, to be honest. I will give you this. Sweeperoonies. I think gold looks nicest here right now. Release the dashcam footage? I wish I had dashcam footage, holy. I don't have a dashcam. Chat, by the way, we hit 50k on Instagram as well. I forgot to tell you guys. 50 thousand followers. Thank you very, very much. It is very, very much appreciated. You guys are killing the support recently. If you see my content on Instagram, give it a watch, man, because we've been leveling up the content like a motherfucker. Like, the shit that I've been posting is echelons above what I used to post. Educational content, on-air content. We broke daily high just now, chat. How good does that look though? 50Ks. Yeah, man. Oh. 50K is huge. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Not the SCR crash, though. Not the SCR crash. Chat, this was not nice. Chat, maybe we get a higher time frame closure above this level here. Maybe like a 15-minute close in 7 minutes. Little pull back into this area. That's the trade right there, chat. Big milestones. Thank you, bro. Yeah, that is a big milestone. 100K coming soon. 100 Kizes. Alright, cool. Yeah, chat, I'm not in this position right now. Thank you, Mr. Notro Lines Jr. We are gonna rip. Holy shit, Jordy must be up like 10 bill right now. That's pretty fire. Respectable. Twice. You already started looks maxing Mr. Trendlines SG? I did, and then I fell off a little bit, I can't lie. I mean, I went out drinking yesterday, so like I'm pretty cooked right now. My face is hella bloated, but I'm pretty looks maxed already. Joking. Just wait till summer comes around though. I'll be so tanned, it'll be just ridiculous. In fact, it pretty much already is summer in Cyprus, although it's storming right now. Trying to extend and frame mod clavic. I already do frame mod clav. I don't think those guys have very good physiques, I can't lie. I have a better physique than most of them. Not the ASU frat leader though. I hate it. It's such a terrible fucking social media bubble that we're in right now. 5-minute closing here, chat, in 19 seconds. Let's see if we can get a nice little buy here. Nice little buy. Problem is, you've got a few levels that are going to start to stick up here every... Yeah, this is a clean area here, which you might reject off of on the 15. I'm loving these chart colors, man. I think they're sick. Rastafari's back. We miss you, man. I don't know, bro. Bro's the #1 troll. Oh my god, we actually just ripped him. We need a pullback though, because this doesn't have enough volume to take us just straight through. Unless something crazy happens, but if this was like gonna rip all the way through, no pullback, I think it would be doing it like quickly and aggressively. But it's sort of just edging upwards here. You can see the momentum starting to die off. You have big candle, smaller candle, smaller candle, smaller candle. Sort of it's a good indicator that momentum is beginning to die. 5-minute no top wick. Oh, chat, these tunes are next level. By the way, boys, Tradeify currently has 40% off all accounts. If you want to go and grab some, you know the code. It's TRLS. Honestly, the best prop firm right now, in my opinion. Gold is not restricted even slightly on them. You can trade whatever you want. End of day drawdown. First news of the week is Thursday. Oh, I didn't even check news. I'm actually low-key selling a little bit here, chat. Thank you for the reminder. We check your DMs on Discord after stream, sure. Canadian bank holiday, no one cares about the Canadians. Oh no, that's not even Canadian, is it? That's Chinese. Oh yes, Spring Festival. Nothing. Trump's speaking on Wednesday though. Kind of interesting. Unemployment claims Thursday. PPI. Yeah, chat. Interesting. Oh my days, we're ripping. We are ripping, chat. This might be the untradables here. Oh my days, we flipped after taking London highs. Holy shit. Maybe we get NQ sales. You need to close below there though. No, actually here. It's a fake out. Closure below. Yeah, see, look, it rejected though. Oh! Closure below 888. Oh, angel number. Closure below that. Sales don't look terrible. Look at that hourly, man. Gold needs to pull back, chat. Like, it needs to. Especially now you filled the 15-minute range and the hourly range, so I'm not too worried about it on the hourly, but on the 15-minute, this might be cooked. Chat, did anyone else trade during Asian last night? Anyone get any positions? Ow. Also, oh yeah, wait, I was 1.5k caught the whole move? Nice, congrats. Oh man. Pull back. Saw the same move you did, but had to close early because of consistency. Yeah, I saw that, Dylan. That was huge. W, first of all. Second of all, peak. That you had consistency. Actually, not really. Alright, cool. Oh my days, this is insane, chat. 15-minute candle and it's literally 27 points. No top wick. Are we actually dead ass just gonna go to the moon? In hindsight, when this 4-hour candle closed no bottom wick, that should have been like the ultimate sign. Yeah, this is actually crazy. I think NQ sales could honestly be good as well. But the problem is you're probably going to go before we get a chance to enter. 15 close below, also no bottom wick. It might be an early gym day, chat. It might be an early gym day. You just froze USD? Sorry, I just saw something on my phone. What USD? Yo, I just got bot commented. Your brokey level versus billionaire rich boy James. High riches. He's running $1 million free giveaway for his followers. Bare Africans telling me I'm broke and this guy's a billionaire. That's why he's botting my comments, eh? Crazy, right? Trade deal? Oh no. Does the US really care about that? Maybe. Silver ripping too. Is that no, it's not all-time high, right? Not even close. Gold, I genuinely think gold hits all-time high again. Financial Juice is the site I use. Yeah, Financial Juice is good. I just got bored with it. Like, it kept spamming me and I was just like, right, yeah. I'm done with this. $10 minutes to the hourly close, chat. I think we'll wait until the hourly close at least. Chat, has anyone been playing Arc Raiders? Anyone play that? Loki, we might have to play in the Discord. I have it connected to my smartwatch. Bro, are you not getting notifications every 3 seconds? You honestly must be. Alright, let's wait for disclosure and then we can see what happens. Bro, Mr. Vape client. Up 2 bandolinis. It's a clean little trade. Chat, my cat just ran through a tin of paint. White footprints everywhere. Pretty sick, actually. Only tells me US news? Alright, okay. You must have changed the settings, because I'm pretty sure when I had it, it was telling me like news every 3 seconds. Chat, is this 5 and 15 gonna, or not 5, is this 15 gonna flip and push back down here? Give us a little bit of a pullback. Otherwise, chat, maybe we can take the buys after a nice little bottom wick on the next open. Otherwise, oh, you have a level here though as well. Gibbity. Chat, did you see some guy at the Oscars or wherever it was, like with Tourette's, said the N-word? Like live on stream, especially I think there was like 3 black presenters on screen or something. How mad that is. Like. Yo. You can't be putting that in chat. Bro's gonna get me banned. Bro's gonna get me banned. Imagine I read it out as well. What are you trying to do? Imagine I was just reading chat. And I just read the first word. To do an SG in person, I don't say the word. I think you're thinking about Tom. I'm joking. The double champ does what the fuck he wants. You're not the double champ of anything, mate. You're not even the single champ. Just saying. Nice. Pick up the Irish. Yeah, big up the Irish. Cryptomaniac, I love that. Holy trade. Yeah, look at this 2 hour, man. That's insane. Yeah. Oh, that was amazing. Amazing. Eval passed. Nice. Congrats. Congrats, bro. The South African. It just comes out the back of the hand. Yeah, if you took a trade, put it in trade of the day. Oh, Spion took a trade. Yo, bro, what? Bro got the wick of wigs. Order filled. What's NQ doing? Still ripping down? Oh. That might be a bit of manipulation there, chat. Alright, 6 minutes. Chat, wait, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. This is mad.
With the drums, you have the capacity to create a mood.
Genuinely might be the most untradeable price action I've seen ever. Ever.
Doesn't matter if you're playing in a club, if you're playing in a hall, if you're playing in the streets.
We might have to call it a day. Well, let's see what the hourly close does though. If we can get something on the hourly, then yeah, sure. If not, then it's cooked. Although, wait. Chat. Price action mirror. Right here. Alright, we have tap into this high, which we have right now. Retest back into these levels down here. And then the big move continuation. I mean, this was during the open though, so I don't know if you can really count that, but that could be what happens, chat. I might be cooking here. I might actually be cooking. One minute. PA is disgusting. Disgusting! Well, it was fucking one he is. What a great video that is. If you don't know the reference, you're not British. Even though that's Scottish, I think, but what a video. So maybe chat now we look for something like this, right? We look for this position here, stops below here, TP here, and that'll be the move that we take, right? Pretty simple. I think that would be super clean. Yeah, classic. Which one of you didn't flush the toilet after they've had that shit? Thank you very much. Chat. Let me show you. Wait, actually, nah. I'll post a video on it. Have something funny that I found earlier. No way we're re-breaking the highs. Come on. Like, come on now. Let's be serious. Unreal. Oh, it's a 4-hour close too. Oh, chat. I mean, yeah, it's pretty certain that we rip up here, but you're gonna need a pullback. Because the last thing you want to do is get into a buyout off the 4-hour close, right? Let's say you think that it's right here, and then price does what this 4-hour did and just rips all the way down. Like, bro, no way. By the way, chat, if you're not already in it, make sure you join the free Discord, right? Free Discord is super fucking sick. Great community. And education in there. Like, also people holding each other together. We do Trader of the Day in there. Loads of shit, man. Make sure you join up. Cool. Just close my buy. Oh, where were you in from? Chat, maybe we try like somewhere like... Oh, they changed the way you log in to Tradeovate, and it's really annoying because it doesn't save the login anymore. SG is actually funny in the academy. We're all in stitches and making bread. I'm not funny here. I'm only funny behind closed doors. That's the main draw of the academy, right? If you jump in the academy, we have a couple of jokes every now and again. Chat, 27 seconds here. We are pulling back before the close. Very interesting. This looks so nice, to be truly honest. You need... That's 38 points below the 4-hour low. Holy. Chat, this is called accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We're fucking ICT students now. Or it's called consolidating after a big move up. Liquidity grab below a range and session low. Let's see though, chat. We have officially now closed bullish. You have an area here that I'm kind of worried about, but also not too worried about. You need a bottom wick there. If this breaks the high, I'm done. Can't even do previous fucking hourly stops. There's 30-point stops on gold. That's a lot. You'd have to do like 2 micros. 2 bloody micros. We're gonna wait for some lower time frame stuff, maybe 5-minute sky dweller, something like that, chat. You know what I mean? I think that makes the most sense by a long, long way. $10 million. Please. Oh, chat. Oh. Maybe it's coming, chat. Maybe we're here. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. It sells now. What a troll. Low-key could work. Do some OTE shit or something. Holy. Oh, chat. That's a nice bottom wick if I've ever seen one. I would not take a wick entry here, though. I think we need some confirmation. Even if it's like a 1 minute sky dweller for stops. Or we take the flip. Stops on the flip aren't terrible. Break and retest? Yeah, it definitely is a break and retest. I just want to see some bounce first, maybe. Oh, there's a no bottom wick on the 1. Fuck. I think we come further down. I don't think that was the bottom. Saw a little rejection there. 85, a little rejection, 85 ticks, just something like that. Current candle? If it flipped, then yeah. Alright, cool. Let's see chat. I think we come further down though. 1 minute flipped, bearish. You've also got bearish price action now. Only on the 1 though. This does look good though on every single time frame. I just need something to give me some stop because I have no stops. If stops were tight here, we'd be probably in there by now, around here. Or maybe like on the retest. But that's gonna give you, yeah, like 40-point stops, which is ridiculous. Be patient, chat. What did NQ do? Close respecting. You do have a bearish sky dweller though. This realistically could just absolutely rip it down. But because it closed respecting, 15-minute close bullish, yeah, it's not really that nice. Oh, we're flipping, chat. We're flipping, we're flipping. Chat, if this flips, I'm gonna let it go. I don't think there's necessarily anything wrong with taking the flip here. Other than the fact that we have tapped into like a very key level over here. At like 217. Is that also a 4-hour level? Probably not, right? No. 2-hour level though. Be careful you don't get tapped in and then it reflips, right? It's very possible. I've seen this before, chat, where it like kind of does a dummy flip here, right? But as you can see, this is the open candle right here, and it's very much rejecting off of that like open. But if this runs, it runs, chat. Like, so be it. I wanted it to come down further. Oh. What did I say, chat? Did I just say that it might flip and then reflip? Stop a few people out and then go? I think I did say that. And what has it just done? It's flipped. Reflipped a little bit. It either comes down and retakes the low or it drives from here. It's either one or the other. I don't trust it. What makes you desirable? What's bro on about? Alright, you closed above on the 1 minute. Maybe it goes here. What's good, Joe Van? How's it going, man? Joe Van, whatever. Close above on 5 minute structure could be good. Yeah, that could be good actually. You're all right. And then you can use this low. Yeah, you could take something like this. Yeah, you'd be up like 26 right now. Nothing crazy. But fair. It flipped. Maybe we get the bottom wick on the next one. Yeah, but this is a strong rejection. I still think it could do what I said, you know. I think it could flip and reflip. Little dummy. $25 seconds. Chat, let's try some buys if this 5 minute flips here. I'm gonna be super aggro. Stops below current candle, current 5 lows. All right, so that's the position I'm looking at right now. Because now we've made a bottom wick. Right, on the hourly, flipped, broken, well, continued with the structure, bullish on the 5 minute. But if this rejects now, yeah, chat, I'm gonna delete that. If I can. I don't like these 1 minute highs. My intuition's telling me this pushes back down. Exactly like I said, right? Exactly like I said. Literally called it. I literally tell the markets what to do, chat. Told you guys it could flip. Get FOMO entries in. And then come back and grab a bit more liquidity. I literally said it. If that 5 was going to rip as well, when we had the buy stop, it would have done it right then. It wouldn't have come back down and rebroken. That makes no sense. You know, it should be the move instantly right away. I am literally the market maker. It flips, takes out FOMO buyers by reflipping, grabbing liquidity, and then it makes the move. Literally called it. Chat, I'm done though. I'm done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow morning inside the TRLS Academy chat. If you do want to join that, it's the most valuable group you will see in the trading space, hands down. Trade with me live every single day, my full course, everything. If you do want that, the link is in chat. And other than that, chat, that's been the stream. Drop a like and subscribe. I'm dropping a new YouTube video tomorrow, which is going to be nice. That is... No, not tomorrow. Sorry, tonight. What the fuck am I on about? I'm dropping that tonight. It comes out not long. I think in like an hour maybe or so. So if you are interested in watching that, make sure you go ahead and put your notifications on. Other than that, chat, though, that is me done. Catch you guys tomorrow. See you in the Discord. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye, chat. Imagine just order filled.